Hi guys, welcome back to Shadow Made Without a Recipe. Today we're doing an air fried roast chicken. The seasoning we're going to use is some Old Bay seasoning, some garlic oil, salt and pepper. We're just going to chop up some butter. I also like to just check for any wayward feathers that are left behind. And we're going to pop the butter under the skin around the breast and just into the thigh area. Create a little horseshoe shape. Then grab a lemon and we'll chop the top and bottom off. And just cut through the skin just a little bit. Don't chop it up. And we're just going to pop that inside the chicken to keep it moist. So we're going to rub some garlic oil on the chicken. Both sides. Get our pepper and put it on both sides as well and pat it in. And just sprinkle some salt over the top. You don't need a lot because there's a little bit of salt in the Old Bay. And when you're using Old Bay seasoning, you cover it. Cover that shit up. Be afraid to really squeeze the bottle and get it on there. I forgot to press record, but I popped the chicken in the air fryer and put it down, breast down. Pop it in at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. When your 30 minutes are done, pull the chicken out and just give it a flip. I like to just re-season where I've pulled a bit of seasoning off with the tongs. Slide that back in for another 30 minutes at 200 degrees. Pull her out again and check. I find after that hour at 200 there's still a little bit of cooking to go. So pop them back in at 190 for 15. This won't overcook the chicken, it keeps it nice and moist. But it just makes sure that everything's cooked in there. While we're waiting for the chicken to finish, we'll do some mash and veg. I just used the frozen Bell Farms mashed potato. This is what it looks like. Nice little bars. Pop that in a bowl and pop it in the microwave. And we'll just throw some veg on the stove with some hot water and a little bit of salt. And here's our chicken. Look at that. It's just falling off the bone. It's so delicious. And mash is most of the way done. Pop some butter and some milk in and a little bit of salt. Give it a mix up. And I pop it back in for another 2 minutes just to keep heating and get it nice and soft and fluffy. And look at that. Chopped a little bit of breast there. It's nice and steamy. If you can find Old Bay seasoning, do grab it. We grabbed this one from the Nut and Jerky shop up in Cairns. It was $60 and $50, but it's worth it. And that's it. We played it up with our veg and mash, and it's delicious. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.